They bear arms. We bear guns. Lightning fast. Dead accurate. Never in reserve. Thunders of fire. The ultimate decision makers. Welcome to artillery, the god of war. We pulverize the enemy soldiers and suppress her firepower. We deliver death on massive scales and smash the defensive structures. Nothing survives our assault. If every artillery tube fires just one round of its ammunition, it will deliver a mammoth 4,000 tons of TNT onto the enemy. Artillery's first fantastic handshake. At the center stage of every battle, we stun and cripple. Others thrill, we kill. The principal pride of artillery is its brilliant manpower, drawn from Army's largest center, the home of gunners, rich in traditions. Staffed and led by the graduates of the most prestigious institution, School of Artillery is second to none. Artillery School is one of the oldest institutions of Pakistan Army. We have the honor to be the custodians of our nuclear weapons. Army's Strategic Forces Command is another feather in our cap. We are the notion of no space for war. We give the enemy sleepless nights. As first and last argument on the battlefield, we weigh heavily on the decisions of the enemy. Nobody dares to ignore us. Regiment of Artillery is the proud recipient of 22 Sword of Honors and 18 President's Gold Medalist. Artillery's chest is decorated with 4 Hilal-e-Jurat, 37 Sitara-e-Jurat, 23 Tamgha-e-Jurat, 54 Sitara-e-Basalat, and 115 Tamgha-e-Basalat. The gunners equally excel at sports and other fields. The Artillery Center Band has remained the undisputed champion of Pak Army for many years. The men at the gun's end are an unflinching, ever-thrusting nightmare for the enemy. With a large variety of arsenal, from conventional guns to strategic missiles, complex technologies, and cutthroat professionalism. Artillery is a challenge only men will accept. Are you ready?